Today, I'll show you how Hermes Agent assigns multiple AI agents to perform autonomous video editing from start to finish. Professional video editing tools can cost hundreds or even thousands of dollars every year. And before you can edit efficiently, you spend countless hours learning complicated software and workflows. That's why we built an AI video editor that automatically removes unnecessary shots, edits your footage, and creates a clean, polished video with little to no manual effort. The tool and setup guide are available in the bio, and it's completely free to use. If you find it helpful, please subscribe and support the channel. Your support motivates us to build even better tools. Let's get started. This AI video editor is powered by JSON, Python, and Markdown workflows. We start with a single input file, video_001.mp4 from footage folder. When workflow.md runs, it automatically extracts the audio and creates transcript.wav. This file helps the AI understand the video's spoken content, enabling smarter editing decisions. Next, the system uses transcript.wav to create transcript.json inside the transcript folder. This file converts the spoken audio into text and attaches precise timestamps to every segment. These timestamps are then used to generate keep_segments.json, helping the AI identify which parts of the video should be retained during editing. Now comes the core of the entire editing workflow, keep_segments.json. Built by analyzing transcript.json, it identifies the valuable parts of the video and removes unnecessary sections automatically. This is what transforms raw footage into a clean, polished, and engaging final video. The tool has done most of the heavy lifting, but we're not stopping here. Future improvements will be driven by feedback from keep_segments.json to make the editing even smarter. Watch till the end to see the final result. Using the decisions stored in keep_segments.json, the editor automatically assembles the final video. It reviews the selected segments, removes unwanted portions, and stitches together the most valuable content into a polished output. The result is an intelligently edited video created with minimal manual effort, guided entirely by the feedback and segment selections generated throughout the workflow. Now, let's dive into how this entire workflow is implemented. I'll simply trigger workflow.md inside Hermes Agent, and you'll see each step execute automatically, from audio extraction and transcription to segment selection and final video editing. Let's watch Hermes Agent turn a raw video into a polished edit with minimal manual intervention. The prompt I provided to Hermes Agent was simple. Read and execute the full workflow from step 0 to step 3 from workflow.md in the WSL Linux environment. Since my operating system is Windows, I used Ubuntu through WSL to run Hermes Agent. For reasoning and execution, I selected GPT-5.5 as the LLM. Once the prompt was submitted, Hermes Agent immediately began executing each step of the workflow automatically, moving from setup and transcription to intelligent video editing. Before the workflow starts, Hermes Agent executes a Python script called cleanup_workspace.py. This script plays an important role in preparing a clean environment for the entire editing process. It automatically scans the footage, transcript instructions, and renders folders, and removes any files left over from previous workflow executions. The folder structure and subfolders remain intact, but temporary files, transcripts, rendered outputs, and instruction artifacts are cleared out. By starting with a clean workspace every time, next, Hermes Agent runs transcript.py, which automatically extracts the audio from the input video and creates transcript.wav. It then converts the spoken content into text with timestamps, generating transcript.json in the transcript folder. No manual input is required. Once you execute workflow.md, Hermes Agent handles everything automatically. Now have a look inside the transcript folder. You can see that transcript.json has been created successfully. This file contains the transcribed text from the video's audio, along with timestamps for each spoken segment. Next, Hermes Agent kicks off the keep_segment.py script. This script analyzes transcript.json and generates keep_segments.json inside the instructions folder. This is the brain of the editing workflow. By understanding the transcript and timestamps, it identifies the valuable parts of the video and determines which sections should be kept or removed. And here it is, keep_segments.json has now been created successfully. This file is the core of the entire editing workflow. It determines exactly which portions of the original video should be retained and which should be removed. Next, the editor script reads and decodes keep_segments.json. Using the segment selections and timestamps defined in that file, it automatically trims unwanted sections and assembles the final video. The processed output is then rendered and saved in the renders folder. This is the expected outcome of the entire workflow, a clean, polished, and intelligently edited video generated automatically from the original footage with minimal manual intervention. Finally, we can see video_001_edited.mp4 in the renders folder. This is the final output generated by the workflow. By applying the decisions stored in keep_segments.json, the system automatically extracted the most valuable portions of the original video, removed unnecessary sections, and assembled them into a polished final edit. The result is a cleaner, more engaging and professionally edited video created automatically through Hermes Agent, transforming raw footage into refined content with minimal manual intervention. We now have the final proof of the workflow. On the right, you can see the original video, which is over 8 minutes long. On the left, you can see the edited version, reduced to just over 5 minutes after intelligent cuts were applied. This demonstrates how the AI carefully analyzed the content, retained the most valuable clips, and removed unnecessary sections to create a shorter, cleaner, and more engaging video without losing the core message. If you enjoyed this video and found it valuable, keep watching until the very end. The next video is Hermes Agent plus Grok plus FAL generated cinematic videos with an AI agent.